that I'm losing my best friend. I can't believe this could be the end. It looks as though you're letting go, and if it's real, well, I don't want to know. I can see us dying, are we? Don't speak, I know just what you're saying, so please stop explaining. Don't tell me 'cause it hurts. No, no, don't speak. I know what you're thinking, and I don't need your reasons. Don't tell me 'cause it hurts. Don't tell me 'cause it hurts. I know what you're saying, so please stop explaining. Don't speak, don't speak, don't speak. Oh, I know what you're thinking, and I don't need your reasons. I know you're good, I know you're good, I know you're real good. Oh, la 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 la. To live and die in a 619. To live and die in a 619. To live and die in a 619. To live and die in a 619.
Dago on mines, nigga. Yeah, I'm content with being hood rich. I'ma live and die about this motherfucker. Barely see the beast and brought some pride about this motherfucker. We finna spread this Dago love and make the city bubble. Won't appreciate the good until you made it through a struggle. Like getting blurred by gang unit out on Skyline Drive, or getting pressed out by some niggas on the orange line. We ain't even bang, but we was banging on that party line. Slap boxing with the homies turned into some real fights. To live and die, that's deep. 350s with the tall T, we felt hella clean. Niggas juice to the max, rocking clothes with security tags. Back with Lil Mouth had a swing in the bakery back. I'm everywhere through the valley like an SVLS tag. Rocking with the squares and the niggas that red flags. Gotta move strategic, operate like a chess match. Dago going out with a strapped on a jetpack, nigga.
I just wanna live and die, posted in a 619. Talking about the Cali love. 619 in Cali's where I'm from. I just wanna live and die, posted in a 619. Talking about the Cali love. 619 in Cali's where I'm from. To live and die in a 619. To live and die in a 619. To live and die in a 619. To live and die in a 619.
Yeah, shout out to La Raza, they really be supporting this shit. Hella love make a nigga feel important and shit. We from where you hustle or you not affording this shit. Variety bag, gotta get assortment of chips. Slide through the patio with a corny inside of grilling. Taco de pescado, the freshest tortillas flipping. Burrito con ranchero, we camarones up in it. It's only aguas frescas or chamangos that I'm sipping. We been sticking to tactics, elevating the status. Hit the Walmart at Grossman, College Grove, be too active with it. 618 got some hella attractive women. Population popping, where we get all this traffic, nigga. Southern California palm trees with the sunniest breeze. Best believe it, ain't no place I'd rather be than a 619. To the 858, to the 760, it's Dago love on.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a fun film sesh. I got some good clips. A lot of the dudes out there were styling it up, making it look fun and easy, but hell yeah, it's the end of 2023. We're gonna be going into 2024 strong, get some good edits out, hopefully blow up in 2024, but I'll see you guys around.